I am making salsa today. Homemade salsa using my tomatoes that I grew in my backyard garden. So just watch how it's done. Okay, so here's all my ingredients. Got some habanero peppers here from the garden or backyard farm. Got some tomatoes from the backyard farm. Got a red onion, some cilantro, Morton salt, red wine vinegar. Got some garam masala, traditional Indian spice mixture, oregano, and some garlic. Usually like to use fresh garlic, but I'm too lazy. And you can see I've already started here. I started chopping up the cilantro in the food processor. So I'm gonna finish that up. Okay, chopped up my onions. I'm gonna go ahead and pour those in with the cilantro. Got some habanero pepper all chopped up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in with the onions and the cilantro. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the onion, cilantro, and habanero peppers to get that chopped up, because I don't want to chop the tomatoes up too much, so I want to get these chopped up first. Get that nice and chopped up. Go ahead and throw in some garlic. I want to open this top up because those peppers are real strong when you open that up. The whole house will be smelling like peppers. So I like lots of garlic too, so we're going to put a lot of garlic in here. Okay, we got our tomatoes chopped up, ready to start blending, but I want to add some spices to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. Not too much. Oregano is a lot stronger than I thought it would be. Going to add a little bit of the garam masala. Give it a teaspoon. Garam masala. And just a little bit of red wine vinegar to give it that flavor, but not too much so it'll be soupy. And some salt. Not too much, not too little. And that's it. Now I'm going to mix it up. And there you have it, salsa. You can see it's not too thin. Nice thick salsa. Use on your chips. You can put it on eggs in the morning. You can use it for a lot of different things. Salsa, you can make chili with salsa. So yeah, this is a multi-purpose thing. I make a bunch of it and put it in the freezer and freeze it, and we'll keep it for several months and use it for multiple different things. There you have it, my homemade salsa.